Peace, 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 family. It's Brown Flat Power God and another nature digressive war. I know it's been a minute. Peace, 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 peace. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, I'm so happy to be out here in nature. I'm tired of misaligned and source.
I got triggers on these niggas. No more nigga pins. If you fucking with the team, don't be switching up the scene. They believing in the lies. Why you never find niggas? That's why we call them bronze, aka the God killer. When we blaze through, shit is see through like Grey Goose, and everything around get tight like a straight noose. All we did was give information in the hate room. Instead of showing love, they gave it all to a Jesus. What we doing with it? They fucking up the vision. You see we stuck inside the matrix. Blame it on religion. Evil keep winning. Cause ain't nothing good when the love start to fade. When you dead or in prison. But this is for the gods. You already know the vibes. When he go live, shout out to the nigga bronze. Fuck the Bible, don't believe in them lies. You tune into the live, hit the like and subscribe.
Bronze, Flat Power God.
You the few. Just the
About to scalp that nigga.
everything.
Fuck that nigga. He's this.
And it's just like
Trigger.
becoming who you are, aligned, knowing that you are that God, that goddess. It's a beautiful thing. But, you know what I'm saying? I just can't express when you're here and out here how you feel so good. You know, shout out to everybody. You know, all my subscribers. You know, everybody. And I just say, take this day. Just love yourself more and more. Don't ever change. Be who you are. Anybody's not feeling you, that's on them. So just love self more and more every day. Every day. Man, it's just so beautiful being out. The messages need to be said, you hear it. Not a day go by, you don't feel a message is being said to you. Just love it. Love nature. And the power of the universe. I always know that Mother Nature doesn't need saving. It's just you aligning yourself and reclaiming what's yours. And there's nothing nobody can say or do about it. I share it all. Much love, peace, gratitude. Brown Flat Power God. And man, it's just unbelievable how much love I have out here. I love it. It didn't change it. Much love to everybody. I'm out.